Mathaini mathathita niguo ambunge na masenetaria manyitaga mbaru mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga mambiriirie gwikinyia thingira-ini wa iregi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi giikaro-ini kia mwanya gia kurianira na mutongoria wa bururi. Ambunge na senators matanyihiire 180 nio mekinyirie mucemanio uyu uria wambiriirie mathaini ma thaa 7 cia miaraho na gucoka guthira ihinda-ini ria ithaa rimwe.
Good afternoon. Happy New Year.
Giikaro-ini giki president nionekire gwithema na uteti wa imwe kwa imwe wa githurano twerekeire no handu-ini hake ahinyiriria ciigie thayu na urumwe. Ihinda-ini riu no ahuokeire ciigie mutaratara wa watho wa ciama cia kiuteti uria wahitukirio ni ambunge kiumia kihituku na uria utanyitwo guthondeka gacira ga kumbwo ngwataniro cia kiuteti mbere ya githurano twerekeire.
I am a proud member of Jubilee, but I am an even prouder member of the Kenyan society, which I see reflected around these tables here. To be here with leaders from across the divide. And this is really what we are trying to achieve. To say that we may belong in many different homes, but we can actually work together for the common interest of 50 million people.
A good idea always yields to a better idea. And a better idea would yield to the best idea. So what you guys are doing is basically trying to improve governance in our country.
Riri ariritaria mbere president arahutia ciigie mutaratara uyu wa watho nionekire gukirira ria marautungagia uregani moruru maya makierekerio munene wake William Ruto na bunge mwahu wa Tangatanga.
Political parties amendment that we are trying to push through, which some people have tried to demonize as they try to demonize BBI. That is giving us an opportunity for us to be able to formally work together across political parties in the interest of the nation.
Senators nao mahionekana merito makiro no muhaka mutaratara uyu wa watho hituke bunge-ini no riboti cia kwihokeka ikiuga senator wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi no ria niwe muhuri mucarisha wa rege bunge-ini ya Senate niekorire hacekia kiro no muhaka acokanirire senator zake na mutaratara uyu wa watho uhituke bunge-ini no. Ihinda-ini riu Uhuru nioririe atongoria ya mahuthire hinya wao bunge-ini kuhitukia imwe ya mitaratara ya bata ya kiwatho niria irahutia muingi wa bururi.
The bill on NHIF and the other acts around the health sector are now going to open up and give us that opportunity to be able to give our people that which we promised them of universal health care.